Traders, I'm currently testing a new indicator, this guy here, and it's going to work in conjunction with our counter trend strategy with the indicator in the bottom. See this high-low 3 down here. So the indicator above is going to give us extra confirmation. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. When this indicator fires, we need to see a green dot. If that's the case, this is a 4-hour chart. We then go down to the 15-minute time frame and look for an entry point. If we see this give us an alert, we need to see the green dot. Then we go down to the lower time frame for confirmation. So let's just have a look at these 2 points on the 15M. Point of interest number 1. Okay, what we have to see on the 15M is the same thing. We want to see the green signals and the green dot here, previous to our point of interest entry point here, or potential entry point. This is the 4-hour time frame point of interest right there. Okay, now we're on a 15-minute. So what we need to see on the 15 is a combination of a few things. One, that having occurred. Then we want to see divergence. And we have to enable signals 1. We want to see, well, we've got orange and yellow here. So it's traded through a previous weekly and daily. And that's running stops below these levels here. So we need to see that. High-low signals number 2. We want that. Flick it on and off and see if there's any historical data. No, there's not. Fair enough. That's okay. And what we're going to do is, if we're currently sitting here and this is trending down, well, we don't want to get involved yet. But what we'll do is we'll set an alert on the trend bars. 3 bars, bar color change once per bar. That's it. Done. Create. When that fires, that's when we come into the chart. 15-minute time frame. And if you want to, you can include the trend sentiment for a buy signal as well. Well, there was a buy signal up in here that was a bit late. Okay, but we'll run off the trend bars when the candles turn from red to green. That's our entry. So that's the first one. We'll go back to the other one. And then we'll just pick a few of these randomly and see what they look like. So the main signal's off the 4-hour. And on the 15-minute, yeah, this is what we want to see is 1, divergence. We've got that. We want to see these guys having previously fired on the 15. And we've got this orange line here. That's a previous weekly high or low. We want to be trading into a big level. And that's the reaction off the level. And then we're off to the races. Nice. Okay, let's just select some of these randomly. We'll just, anywhere will do. I don't know. Look, Doge, let's go there. Counter trend trade. Okay, 4-hour chart. We had a signal here. We've got green dots above and the green signal. So that stacks up. We had a signal back in here. Green dots above, green signal. All right, so now we're looking for entry on the 15-minute time frame, somewhere around our points of interest. So we'll go to the 15. Point of interest on the 15-minute was this blue line here. The candles are red, but we don't touch it. We wait until we see the green candles kick in here. And you can see here, high or low. We just simply set the alert for that to fire. And then the other one was, okay, here, this was our point of interest. Everything stacks up on the 15-minute. We take the trade based on green signal, green dots, divergence, previous big level, and our buy signals right here. Guys, you can gain access to the indicators. This is going to be released sometime in the coming week or so. Let's just pick something else randomly. I don't know. What have we got? Let's have a look at the NAS 100. There you go. 4-hour time frame. And I mean, you can see that these worked out. Well, there's one there. I'm just trying to find some that may not have given us such a great outcome. So there's one there. But I mean, look at the rest of these were fantastic. That's a no-brainer. How did we get involved with that? There's no red dot here. So that's a no-go. So we only take it where you see the red zone and the red dot. Oh, let's just have a look and see what that looked like on the lower time frame. So that's a sell. Oh, yep. Okay. It's going to work out nicely. Okay. Red dot, red. Yeah. I mean, look, you can see the outcome. Just stick to the rules in terms of your entry on the lower time frame. I'm just trying to find one that may not have been such a good signal. Let's just grab the, I don't know, Kiwi CAD. What have we got? We got a signal here, but we don't have the dots on this one. See, we need the dots on that indicator. So there's a green signal here is kicked off, but there's no dots on this indicator, so we leave it alone. That gave us a nice short, but look, we don't have the dots on this indicator. Prefer to see the dots. Okay, there's a dot there, signal here. We look at it and we go, yep, there's a dot, fairly recent. That stacks up, and then we look for the opportunity. That's going to be the difference, guys. Look, I mean, go anywhere you like. I don't know, Euro Aussie. And I mean, you can see whether this is going to work or not. We'll just have a look and check out. Well, look here. See, look, here's a, okay, there's a red dot. Looks like I've already been in here. Okay. We've got a red signal and a red dot. Now that doesn't look like it worked out. So what does it look like on the 15-minute time frame? Because the rules of engagement bring us into the 15M, and we're looking for a red break. Well, yeah, we kind of got it. There it is there. Oh, we got it. Let's drop that down. Counter trend, guys. That's your first signal right there. So there's your entry point. Tight stop. You know, you want to take partial profits off at 1 hour, I would think. Then tighten up your stop loss or something like that. Okay, this one wasn't such a great outcome, but I think, you know, you can definitely see that this is going to give us some really nice opportunities. Go somewhere where dollar CAD. Okay, that doesn't look so great. Let's check that out. And we've got that one there. What do these look like on the 15-minute? Yeah, that wasn't so crash hot, right? So we're looking for these on the 15, see what they gave us. Just trying to prove this thing wrong. That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, I think the benefits really are in our favor. Nice, that one. So where was the other one? Nothing's 100%. And is this going to be the one that... Look at this, guys, look. I'm trying to prove it wrong. Rules of engagement. Okay, we're waiting for... This, our point of interest is here. It's traded into a big level. We're looking for the red dot to get involved short. None of you might have got involved here. Fair enough. Stop above. And I mean, that gave us what? And the rest down here to this orange line. You know, 4.5R. Nice. If you want to counter trend trade, scalping, I think this is definitely an opportunity. And this indicator will definitely give you that little extra boost. Stick to the rules. If you see an alert, you have to have a dot above the same color. And then look for the entry on the 15-minute. This is going to be released within the next week or so. So jump on board, guys, if you haven't already. If you want access to the indicators, click on my WAP link. That will give you immediate access without delay. The link, it's in the description under the video, and it will take you to my WAP landing page. So it's the gold plan you want. If you go to my website and you click the free trial there, just go for the gold plan, but go with the WAP option, not the Stripe option. And this will give you immediate access. So what you'll do is you'll click Get Access and then come back to the WAP page. Don't leave it. Come back to it. And here's the links up here. Telegram, TradingView Indicators, Trading 101 course. It's all here. Click that and you'll gain immediate access. As soon as you click it, you're in. Okay, as soon as you click TradingView Indicators, you'll have them through the WAP platform. Scroll down if you like and you can see the two offers, but the one on the right is the one with the indicators. 14-day trial, yeah, and then, you know, you're going to have access to all this stuff. Okay, guys, with that, this indicator is going to be released within a week. So with that, I hope you have a fabulous day, and we'll see you in the next one.